Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming system compatibility and accessing settings. First, make sure your Android version supports a privacy or display filter. Many phones include it in display or privacy. Once done, plug the phone in if battery is low to prevent mid-setup interruptions. Next, open Settings and type Privacy Screen or Display in the search bar. This speeds you directly to the right menu. You're now ready to enable the core feature or install a trusted app if the built-in option is missing. You now turn the setting on or install and configure an app. If your phone has a built-in privacy screen, flip the toggle and set intensity or viewing angle. This narrows side visibility without changing colors. If there's no built-in option, pick a well-rated privacy filter app from Play Store, install it, and grant overlay permission so it can draw over other apps. Then adjust strength, scope, and brightness. Make sure the filter doesn't block essential status icons or touch gestures as you refine it. You finish by testing and fixing any problems. Verify the privacy effect across several apps, email, messages, and banking, to confirm it hides content at side angles while remaining readable head-on. If touch response suffers, reduce filter opacity or switch to a different app. Overlays sometimes intercept touches. If the filter disappears or behaves oddly, restart the phone, revoke and then regrant overlay permission, or uninstall and reinstall the app. One tip: if colors shift significantly, lower intensity rather than keeping it at maximum to preserve accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.